सभापति महोदय, दूसरी ओर एक लड़का 100 मार्क के लिए जो परीक्षा में हाजिर होता है, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ 25 मार्क प्राप्त होने के बाद वो समझता है कि वो परीक्षा पास हो गया। मैं विपक्ष के नेता को आज बताना चाहता हूं कि आज लगातार 3 चुनाव में 2014 हो, 2019 हो और 2024 में
Alright, we're seeing the parliamentary proceedings that's currently underway. Prime Minister Modi is all set to speak in the Rajya Sabha today, and it's likely the focus could be NEET irregularities and inflation. That could be the focus. This comes just a day after Prime Minister Modi fired salvos at Rahul Gandhi, the Congress party. A fiery reply that was delivered by the Prime Minister in the Lok Sabha. The Prime Minister is now all set to address the Rajya Sabha today.
कांग्रेस से संभव हुआ, आपके कांग्रेस के नेता से ही संभव हुआ, आपको सप्लीमेंट।
Meanwhile, the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, in the dock, the heat now mounting on him for trying to instigate the opposition MPs to enter the well of the House. In the video on your screens here that comes from yesterday, Rahul Gandhi there seen signaling some of the MPs to protest during Prime Minister Modi's speech. Rahul has asked the opposition MPs to storm the well of the House when Prime Minister Modi was replying to the motion of thanks on the President's address in the lower house just yesterday. Now, in a contrary gesture, Prime Minister Modi offered water to the opposition MPs who were interrupting his speech by sloganeering against the government right in the centre, the well of the House. All right, I'm going to now yet again come back to images coming in from the Rajya Sabha with the Prime Minister expected to speak after a fiery reply that he gave on all the allegations levelled by the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, in the Lok Sabha on Monday. Here we're looking at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Right after the Lok Sabha speech, now comes to the Rajya Sabha, an expected address on NEET irregularities and inflation. Also, Agniveer scheme could really be the focus. There's going to be a response on these issues by the Prime Minister. Let me cut to our reporter, Piyush, joining us on the phone line for more on that. Piyush, what's going to be the top focus? We heard a fiery reply from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the Lok Sabha just yesterday. Today, the Rajya Sabha. What's in focus?
Well, I think that from now on, we will hear Prime Minister speaking in Rajya Sabha. Remember that yesterday he spoke in Lok Sabha for more than 2 hours, and he had touched upon almost all the topics opposition had been raising in the past few days. Prime Minister spoke on the issue of Agniveer, on the issue of NEET, on the issue of unemployment, and the various other issues that were being raised by the opposition. And today he is going to speak in Rajya Sabha. While Prime Minister yesterday was speaking in Lok Sabha, we saw how massive commotion had taken place. The opposition MPs had come to the well and they started protesting. While Prime Minister was speaking, they were demanding that Manipur MPs must be allowed to speak first before Prime Minister speaks. But the government view was that enough time was given to opposition, and when the time was allotted to opposition, the opposition did not allow their own MPs to speak. So there's a claim or this counter-claim coming, but today Prime Minister is again going to speak in Rajya Sabha. As we are speaking, he is right now sitting in Rajya Sabha. Any minute from now he will speak. Most likely he is going to extend his speech again for more than 2 years. Remember that when Prime Minister was speaking, Congress MPs were protesting near the well in Lok Sabha, and at that time Prime Minister also offered water to Congress MPs. It was Manikam Tagore to whom Prime Minister had offered the water first, but he refused to drink. Then it was Hidi Ajan, Congress MP, who had also in fact taken the water, and we also saw how Rahul videos have also surfaced in which Rahul Gandhi was allegedly seen also instigating the MPs of the Congress party. So now claims versus counter-claims coming. BJP is now claiming that it was Rahul who was instigating. Now the Congress is saying that why the government did not allow the MPs from Manipur to speak.
Well, so we're going to see a fiery response from the Prime Minister in the Rajya Sabha after we heard Mallikarjun Kharge speak in the Rajya Sabha 2 days ago. And then we saw the showdown in the Lok Sabha. The Prime Minister, after responding to all those allegations in the Lok Sabha just yesterday. It's expected to be a fiery one today as well in the Rajya Sabha. The issues that is likely to be touched upon is NEET, Agniveer scheme and inflation. Has there been an agenda lined out by the government? Would you know, Piyush, on what he's going to be addressing today, if you can elaborate?
Well, we can again expect PM Modi to take on the Congress party, because in the past few days we have seen how Rahul Gandhi is aggressively attacking the government on various issues, be it about Agniveer, NEET or unemployment, or about not giving compensation to people in Ayodhya. So on all these fronts, we can expect Prime Minister to speak. He can also take pot shots at the performance of the Congress party. Yesterday also he did the same thing, where he had said that Congress in the last 3 Lok Sabha elections has not been able to achieve, in fact, cross the mark of 100. And Prime Minister had also said that the childish behavior of Rahul Gandhi and other MPs of Congress party cannot be tolerated. And this happened while the MPs were protesting while Prime Minister was speaking. So again, we can expect the Prime Minister to raise the same issues and attack the Congress party on this.